Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning bread into even-size pieces. Pulse quickly for coarse crumbs. Add fresh herbs to introduce green color and aroma because the moisture helps color transfer. Once the crumbs are slightly tacky, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil so crumbs bind and hold the herb color. Oil also prevents burning if you toast later. Make sure to stop and scrape the bowl so herb bits distribute evenly. This prevents clumps and keeps the overall green tone consistent. You continue by adjusting texture. Pulse in short bursts so herbs and greens break down without turning mushy, because texture matters for coating. If you want a deeper green, add a small handful of blanched spinach or kale. It adds pigment without overpowering flavor. Once mixed, test a pinch for seasoning and brightness. Add a touch of lemon zest to lift the herbs. Make sure to keep some visible herb flecks. They signal freshness and give visual appeal when applied to dishes. You finish by choosing drying or immediate use. If storing, spread crumbs thin on a tray and dry at 250 degrees F for 10 to 15 minutes to set color and prevent spoilage. Once cool, pack into an airtight container. Moisture invites mold, so keep it dry and use within 2 weeks. If the mix seems too wet or clumps, toast briefly in a pan or fold in plain breadcrumbs to restore texture. This fixes dampness without losing the green appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.